Welcome back to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to update your AirPods or AirPods Pro firmware. So you must be hearing in the news, new firmware is out for your AirPods, but you're confused on how to update them. The bad news is that Apple does not offer a specific method to update your AirPod or your AirPod Pros, but the good news is that it updates automatically. However, it needs to be paired with your iOS device in order to update itself. So to make sure your AirPods or your AirPod Pro is paired with the iOS device, first go into your settings. Now tap on Bluetooth. Here, tap on your AirPods or your AirPods Pro to make sure it is connected. Now leave the AirPods and AirPods Pro next to your iOS device. The AirPods should update automatically. It's a good idea to charge the AirPods or AirPods Pro case while it's updating. You can do this by connecting to a Lightning to USB cable or a MagSafe wireless charger. And that is how to update your AirPods or AirPods Pro firmware. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you think you got some value out of it. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.